Hello, it's Mохani Mохand Karem Mохammed from group P154. Today I will show you the task number 4 for computer science and programming. At first, we should create a new scene in the Unity as a practice 4 and create a new folder for scripts and name it scripts4. So here it's my folder scripts4, and in the scenes you can find the practice number 4 scene. Okay, let's open scene number 4. Here is our scene. We made a cube and sphere to make the first script look at script. So in this script, look at script, it should follow the object. So here we make this sphere follow the cube. Okay, so we attach it here, the cube. So we attached our script to the cube, and here we targeted the sphere to look at. So let's try it. Now, if we trying to move this cube, it automatically faces the sphere. Let's take a look at our script itself. And this is our script. The script is look at script, and the game object is on target. Here, the view ID is transform look at target transform. So it will retransform the object as it would need to look at the object we identified here. Next, we should make a screen script work and create two scenes. So here, scenes named level 1 and level 2, and open another scene by its name and by its index, and switch between scenes by public integer visible. So here we created our scenes level 1 and level 2. Let's open scene level 1. So here in scene level 1, we made a cube and colored it as blue, and in level 2, we made a sphere and colored it as white. Let's open level 1 again, and here our scripts attach it to it. So first script is screen work. So let's try the script first. So here we called the vehicle. So here vehicle is called. And let's check the script itself. Here's our script. First, we identified the public integer as index. So public int is index. And here in VID update, we make an if rule. So here, if input get mouse button down, so if we press the left mouse button, it will send loader name. So it will send loader by its name. And here, if we input and get mouse button 1, so here's the right mouse button, it will loader an index. So it will be load the scene by index number. And here, if we input and mouse button number 2, so lead button, it will load the scene by its index number. But here it's public index number identified in the another code. So here, in VID scene loader name, it will scene manager. So we already identified the scene manager here. So we are using the scene manager in Unity engine library. So this script will work. So the screen manager that load sense level 2 will print loaded by name. So here, scene loader by name. So the scene loader by name will get the level 2 scene and will print in our console loaded by name. And in VID scene loader index will print loaded by index. And if we try to public index, it will print loaded by public index. And here public index number is 1. And here the load scene number index is 1. Because if we go here to our file and go to build. So here, if we go to the build settings, you will see that we added the scene in build here. So we added scene level 1 and scene level 2 and make it active. And scene level 2 here is index number 1. So we insert it in the code. And if we run this code, so when left button pressed, it loaded by name. And if we stopped it and play again, right mouse click set loaded by index. Wheel mouse loaded by public index in this time. So it's working too. Next, let's go to the next script. The next script here is script objects work. To create this, we should create a script vehicle as an object, and inside the script class test, we should create two different vehicles. So let's create script vehicles as an object. So let's see it. And here, we're meeting the public float speed and public string color identified as public class. And here's the public VIT. We put it on vehicle speed and make it print speed. And vehicle color will print as color. And public vehicle will debug to print as vehicle. And here the float speed will print as vehicle speed. And we will call it using our script. So to print us, it's called the vehicle speed. And here the vehicle speed is color code in this time. Okay, so let's try our code. So here vehicle called, if we press right click, it will give us as a vehicle speed is called, and it call our vehicle speed and put it here 6.6 again. And if we press the wheel button, it will call the vehicle color here and it will print us green. So it's working. Now let's go to the next script, or the last script. So here we should see the script object variables. So I made the script of object vehicles, object variables here, and in this script it should make a variables in vehicle public. So if we back to the vehicle script, we could see in the script here we invite the system dot serial to identify the public VID print params, and here we debug the log speed equal to the speed, so it will type this ticket speed equal and then put our speed and put our color, and the speed and color is defined in our script. And let's see the script itself. So the script here is object variables, and here you can find that my vehicle print params, and params here is identified here in the script vehicle. So let's try our script here. I turn it on, and here you can see that my vehicle speed identified here as public. So 1 and 1 this time. If we click print, like play, it will print us. So it print us code vehicle color and code vehicle speed, and here speed is 1, color is 1. If we put 0 this time, clear this, do it again, and find us 1 and 0. So it's working. Thank you for watching and have a nice day, doctor.